Top 5 Best Restaurants in Hanoi. Much of what you know as Vietnamese cuisine came from Hanoi. This city has a long history of making the most of fine ingredients, packing as much flavor as possible into their simple dishes. Add some amazing international cuisines into the mix and you have a recipe for some excellent dining experiences. 1. The Hanoi Social Club. As the name would suggest, the Hanoi Social Club is a popular hangout among the hip and trendy socialites of Hanoi. They often have musicians in to perform, which makes for intimate shows in a relaxing atmosphere. The menu centers around Mediterranean cuisine, with many excellent options for vegetarians as well. Whether you're looking for a spot for brunch or a place to spend the evening, this is a fine choice. 2. Red Bean Restaurant. Located just a short walk from Hanoi's Old Quarter, the Red Bean Restaurant features superb Vietnamese cuisine in a high-end setting. They have set menus for different tastes, as well as an à la carte menu with your local favorites, such as Bun Cha Ta and Pho, and a delicious variety of dishes from around the world. Aside from offering some of the best food in the city, their drinks menu also has all your favorite cocktails, wines and freshly made juices. 3. Home Hanoi Restaurant. With brick, wood and a deep, inviting yellow, this classic villa sets the perfect atmosphere for you to enjoy some of the finest seafood in the city, but that's not all. Their menu is remarkably varied, with a delightful wine section and enough choices to keep you coming back again and again. It's no wonder celebrities dine here, as Home Hanoi elevates the dining experience in this city. 4. Kebab Co. Don't get us wrong, we could eat Vietnamese food every day and be perfectly happy, but sometimes you just want a big kebab to really dig your teeth into. For that, look no further than Kebab Co. They've made quite a name for themselves in the past couple of years, becoming one of the go-to restaurants in Hanoi. With great food at reasonable prices, it's easy to see why. 5. Bun Cha Ta. If you're looking to try some fantastic bun cha, which is grilled pork, vermicelli noodles, veggies and spring rolls, then here's one of the best spots in the city. They have a long history of serving this famous dish, and they're only a short walk from Hoan Kiem Lake, so you really have no excuse.